Hey guys, I'm on my way. I don't know why they look at me, but okay. I'm about to get my mustache waxed. I'm mad nervous. Like, I haven't got my mustache waxed in mad long. So like, I think it's only like 10 bucks. Like, my dad just texted me, hey Naya. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm here. Oh, they changed it up a little bit. Hello. I'm trying to just get a mustache wax.
Massage?
Wax.
Wax?
Yeah. The hair. Perfect. Okay, we're about to go do it. Ah. Who's doing it? Okay. Yeah, right here. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna sit right here. Someone's gonna do my mustache. Yo. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm in the chair. Okay. Oh my god, I'm mad nervous. Hold on. Okay, guys. I'm nervous. She's coming. Hi. No.
Okay.
How much is it? Okay, perfect. Okay, oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this thing had to get waxed. Look at this. You can see this. That's like, you know when you hear people, New York people, when they walk, they be like, stop talking. Like, they have a voice. So you can dead hear how they, what's this? Why this thing moving? Oh my god, I'm nervous. Look. I'm recording on my phone. Okay, oh, here we go. Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
You take a radio? You recording?
Yeah.
Why?
For video. Oh my god. Okay, is it recording? Wait, hold on. Alright, it's recording. Oh my god. I'm nervous. Oh my god, why I started crying, bro? This literally hurt like so bad. Okay, the next side. I know the next side hurts again. One of the sides hurt the most. It's a lot of hair, isn't it?
No, not really.
Not a lot?
No.
Oh, okay. Perfect. She said it's not a lot of hair. I'm nervous again. Oh my gosh.
Finish. No more pain. I give you cooling gel, okay? 1 second. Don't cry, baby.
I did my mustache wax. I'm a baddie again. You want to be on the video? You want to say hi? What is that? Hey, oh.
Okay? Yes.
Dang, that's the thing. That burnt. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. That was a quick, easy vlog. Okay, let me pay. Let's go pay. Perfect. Bye.